Hi, welcome back to my channel. I bought another mystery box from Portland Leather. This one is the Tote-Only mystery box. Looking at this box, it's not very big, so I'm guessing this is not an oversized tote, but we'll see. And with Tote-Only box, they do have the color label on the box, so it's right here. I've been dragging my feet on this unboxing. Well, can you guess what color I got this time? Let me know later in the comment area if you guess the right color. Let's open the box and see what size of tote I get this time. So with their mystery box, it's really unpredictable what color you are getting or what size of tote you are getting. So I would say only order it if you don't have any expectation at all. And it helps if you plan to buy gift for your friends or family, so that if it doesn't suit you, you can just give it to your friends or family. So this is how it packed. As usual, wrapped in paper and came with this card. Let's take it out. Let's open it up to see what I get this time. This is a flamingo color. The Barbie movie must be haunting me. It's getting purple and then getting pink. This one looks like the large open tote. Doesn't come with a zip closure. In this beautiful pink flamingo leather. Looking good, nothing unusual. It's just not the color I would use, especially I already watched the Barbie movie. Otherwise, maybe I would consider taking this back, right? So now I guess I will have to plan to give it to one of my friends. So as usual, this tote comes with this slip pocket inside and a key keeper on the other side. It's a snap button key keeper to keep your keys, or maybe you can hook on your sunglasses here. I know many people have been getting the lavender tote lately. Have any of you got a pink tote from their mystery box? Let me know what colors are you guys getting, because I may want to get another one. But definitely prefer not to have a pink or purple tote. Even though pink is not my color, but I do think this leather is soft and supple. And it smells pretty good as well. Normal leather fragrance. So if you like pink, I would say flamingo is a pretty good option. Thanks for joining me for this quick mystery box unboxing, and hopefully I have better luck next time. Bye!